Despite a widely held belief that the UK economy is already in recession, we've seen some month-on-month GDP, which shows growth of 0.5%. Let's take a look at the figures as they stand at the release today. After a decline of 0.6% in September, this rebound came after the economy got back up and running after the national period of mourning for the Queen during September. Car sales rebounding, and there was strong growth activity as well in the health sector. However, the UK manufacturing sector shrank about 4% this year, according to the data out today, and is forecast to fall by a further 3.2% in 2023. Let's take a look at what's happening with sterling. This is sterling against the US dollar. We are long on this going into what is a period up here of resistance. We're currently trading at 122.71. If you are long and you want to put a trade on now, your stop would go under the underside of this red line here, which is the 200-day moving average, just below the 121 level. Now, 123.44, there's a little bit of resistance, and you can see this has been a line we've been following since June this year. But if we do get a candle close beyond that on the upside, 126.60 is the next line. That would be a price target on a long trade if you are long sterling against the US. Now, this data comes today after on Friday we heard from the UK government announcing extensive reforms to financial regulation that it says will overhaul EU laws, that it says choke off growth. Now, sterling against the euro rose strongly on Friday around that data, and we're holding on pretty much to the midpoint of that at the moment at 116.22. We've got some resistance kicking in at 116.50 or so, and that would be an interesting point upon which to go long if we see a candle close beyond that. And then you're on the way up to this area up here at 118.66. So there is a long trade here for sterling against the euro as well. I'd want to get these interest rate meetings out of the way this week before taking any further positions on sterling against the euro, or indeed sterling against the dollar. For more videos from us here at IGTV, join us on Twitter at IGCom, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.